In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a contact form to your Wix website, enhancing both its functionality and communication with your visitors. Let's dive in and take a closer look at how this can be accomplished in a few straightforward steps. First, ensure you're logged into your Wix account and open up either Wix Editor or Wix Studio using the Chrome browser. This combination offers optimal performance and feature accessibility, as Chrome is well suited for handling the various elements of the Wix platform efficiently. Once you're in the Wix Editor or Studio, your next step is to direct your attention to the toolbar on the left side of your screen. Click on the Add button, which will present you with a list of elements you can incorporate into your site. From this list, navigate to Contact and Forms, which will allow you to engage with your audience by capturing essential information through various forms. Click on Contact Form. At this stage, you're presented with two options: selecting a pre-designed template or crafting a custom form from scratch. If you're looking for something quick and efficient, the templates offer a hassle-free solution, with a range of styles tailored to different site aesthetics. However, if your site has specific requirements or a unique design, creating a custom form may be the best avenue to explore. No matter which option you choose, customization is key to ensuring the form aligns with your site's look and feel. You can modify form fields to capture the exact data you need from your visitors, such as names, email addresses, or perhaps specific questions or comments they might have. Additionally, you can tailor the design elements, adjusting fonts, colors, and sizes to seamlessly integrate the form with your website's theme. Don't forget to set up email notifications so you're promptly alerted whenever someone submits the form. This step is essential for maintaining responsiveness and effective communication with your audience. With your form customized and ready to go, it's time to situate it on your desired page. Drag and drop the form into place, ensuring it is strategically placed where visitors can easily find and use it. Whether on a dedicated contact page, the home page, or the sidebar, the location should fit naturally within your site's layout, encouraging interaction without appearing intrusive. To finalize your changes, don't forget to hit the Save button to ensure all your hard work is stored. And finally, publish your site to make the new contact form available for your visitors to use. With these steps, your site becomes a more interactive and visitor-friendly platform, fostering better communication and enhancing user engagement. Thank you for following along, and be sure to check out more of our tutorials to enhance your Wix website experience.